Welcome back. Cricket, lovely cricket is where we begin. Both the West Indies and South Africa could field debutants in the first of their two-test series starting on Thursday at the Darren Salmon Cricket Ground in St. Lucia. Jerome Foster has the preview.
History will not be on the side of the West Indies when the first test bowls off on Thursday in St. Lucia. The majority of the Windies squad weren't born the last time the Caribbean side won a test series against the South Africans in 1992 in Barbados. However, Craig Brathwaite, who has overseen the last 4 tests as captain of the Windies, believes history means little when play commences on Thursday.
I think for us it's a continuation of the good things we started from January in Bangladesh, and for me it's quite simple. We just got to keep the same attitude we had and discipline, and I think results will take care of itself once we do the small things right.
The Windies will, however, be without experienced fast bowler Shannon Gabriel, which means 19-year-old Jaden Seals could be given his debut. But South Africa's captain Dean Elgar will not be lured into a false sense of comfort.
So we need to control what we can control, and that's obviously us preparing in best way. Obviously preparing in the conditions that we aren't too used to, but we've had a few very good days of preparation going forward. So no, we definitely don't see this West Indies attack being less now without Shannon Gabriel.
And the visitors too might be without one of their senior players, as batsman Temba Bavuma could be ruled out due to injury.
There's obviously a possibility where we'll have 2 guys making their debut starting tomorrow if Temba's not fit. Those are the cards that we are dealt, and the guys have prepared well, and it's maybe not a bad thing having younger guys coming in. The younger guys seem to be very hungry at the moment.
For Brathwaite, his team is prepared for whatever 11 South Africa picks on Thursday.
Right. Obviously they haven't played, but we have some footage. Not a lot, obviously, but we have some information, but obviously we heard that they're quality players. So regardless of who we play against, it won't be easy.
Brathwaite also backs his team to deliver against the visitors.
I think as a team, both as batters and as bowlers, we know we have to do. Whether we played 100 games or 2 games. And the guys are ready to go. As I said, as batsmen and bowlers, we know the job we have to do, and we will go there and give it 100%.
The match bowls off at 9 a.m. Jamaica time. Jerome Foster, TVJ Sports.